Hello everyone, my name is Connor, you can see me in the mirror right there, and I would like to share with you today the Watermaster 3000. As you can see, state-of-the-art, brand new. My problem was, I work out a lot and I cook a lot, and I always get this weird request for like water. Like, all right, grab 4 ounces, or like, hey, make sure you hydrate, drink 20 ounces every couple hours. And I don't have water bottles with any markings. I'm like, how do I know? And so I'd always have to get the glass and then, bend down and measure it. But now with this, the Watermaster 3000, you can easily input your desired amount of ounces, have it fill up your water bottle or any other device really, and then you can be hydrated or get cooking, whatever suits you. So I'd like to walk you through a little bit of what's going on here. So here's my display. I have an LED display with a joystick user input. I also have this RFID to begin scanning. So it'll say please scan to start. I have my ID right here. If it doesn't work, it'll kick you out. It'll ask if you're thirsty, which of course we are. And it'll ask us to enter our desired amount of ounces. You can see me in the acrylic right there. And then right here we have how many ounces we need to press to confirm. So you can use your joystick just, sideways. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and then it'll cycle back to 0. I guess if you want 0 ounces, whatever floats your boat. Or you can just do, simple, easy, nice 4 ounces. And all you have to do, and after you press that, it'll open here. There's a little hole. It'll start filling. I just have to add some more water, sorry. Sometimes this keeps off. You notice there's a little sponge here to keep it all closed. And then once I have enough water, it'll close. This will drain out right here. Let it trickle out as it does. And there's a little tube here. It'll stop draining out into my cup right there. And there we go. We have our water. So let's dive into some of the components. As you can see right here, we have an ultrasonic sensor. That's one of our sensors. We also have this RFID right here. I'll show you the wiring here in a second. We have our LED right here. And actually, after you finish this, ask you if you want to fill up again. You can scan to log out. I'll use my handy dandy scanner and say see you later and scan me out. And we have this stepper motor here that's connected to a sponge, and I have it actually kind of wedged into that hole. So when it opens, we can let water through. When it closes, it'll kind of wedge into that hole. And the sponge is to prevent any, too much water from getting out. So diving into some of the wiring, let's get a really good look at this. Oh yeah, it's kind of crazy back here. Here we have our joystick. Here's our LED, and I actually had to solder on this board to hit board to the actual LCD display. And then up there, that is soldered to our RFID, and everything all comes around and is wired to my Arduino, which is right here, safely back there. Last thing I'd like to add with my my Watermaster 3000 here is the complete feedback loop. And so what happens is it will ask me for a desired amount of water, 4 ounces, 8 ounces, 12 ounces, so on. And what it will do with the ultrasonic sensor is that it will take a measurement of, where's my water level currently, and then it will calculate the error based on, where do you want it. So if you want it 12 ounces, for my water bottle, I calculated just a rough volume. So what it will do is it'll calculate how much water there is currently. It'll take the error from that, and then based on that, it will run through and say, all right, do we have enough water or do we not? I'm just using a 2-position controller, so if we don't have enough, it'll stay open. If we do have enough, it'll close until we reach our desired amount of ounces. So yeah, this is the Watermaster 3000.